Hello, welcome. In today's module, we'll be looking at planting, especially in the landscaping industry. In the age of modern technology, we will be discussing the current uses of modern technology in the landscape industry, explain the major types of computer software that are very popular in today's landscaping, describe many of the advances in the field regards to these technologies and their techniques that are being used. The application of new technology in the landscape industry affects everyone in the company from field personnel to the owner. So there are many software applications that can be used to help the landscapers. To be competitive and succeed in today's market, a company must keep current with technological advances in the area. Technology is an umbrella term. Manufacturers have specific technologies, mostly a service industry. Historically, it has been slow to embrace new ideas and techniques. The necessary and the novel. There are many landscaping publications out there that you can make use of. Magazines, social medias, and online resources. They provide updated information as to what is happening in the field. You have reality TV shows based around landscaping. There are just about every medium: podcast, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. Also, you want to go to some trade exhibition. There you will meet a lot of landscaping companies, products that will be on display, garden designs to get ideas. Take advantage of all of those things that are available to you. At these exhibitions, you will find motivational books and consultants who will be giving you fresh insight of what they have used to conquer certain techniques and problems within the landscaping. Not all technology is just truly new. There may be some differences there, but you can work with what you have. Sources of new technology. At these trade shows, you will be able to speak with people from various countries in landscaping, what they are doing, and how they're using the new technology to meet the cutting edge of products that will serve the landscaping industry even better. Within the United States, there are a lot of new products and trade shows you can find. There are trade shows in Europe, Asia, and Africa. If you want to make the trips over there, that is also something that will help boost your company. Research at universities and colleges helps with the new technology to keep current and advance through the organizations such as the Association of Landscape Architects and Association of Garden Designers. They help to support these industries in their studies to get to the latest and better ideas for moving the industry further. Other surge in the technology are the computers, the tablets, the smartphone. They help push the industry further. There are many other forms of technology in the landscaping. For example, the tracking of the client's account, inventory control, specification writing, irrigation design, communication. All of these can be done in a computer-aided form. Within the modern age of social media, media advertising, companies setting up web pages, all these sorts of advertising that you can find online, there is something still very special about the word of mouth referral and the customers to client service. Meeting one-on-one is just very special. That is something you still do not want to lose in spite of all the technology that you have to help you move your company forward. In the workplace, there are many software available for designing and bookkeeping, administration work. All of these things helps to reduce the time and the repetition, especially within the design. If your client does not like a particular design, you do not have to get back on the drawing board and redesign it. You just go to the computer, click, 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 take this away, take that away, and you come up with a new one without all the necessary changes, hours wasted. It reduces the time needed for these repetitive tasks. In the larger industry of landscaping, they tend to contract the work out to smaller companies because they are more efficient and they operate well within the field. There are some heavy equipment that are now used in ways where it is all operated by technology and computer, but there you still find some that will be used manually. The CAD programs that are out there are very, very wonderful. They're a little difficult to learn, but once you've learned them, you can apply them. They have easier ones now for everybody to learn, so find out what you can. Google has SketchUp, and it is something you can go and add into any other CAD program for your landscaping work to be very attractive. Tools required. Digital camera and a video is a must. They're not very difficult to purchase, but it's very useful. Tablets or smartphone helps a lot. Laptop, computer, they generate a lot of contract this way because you can get information quickly and fast to your client. You do not lose out what you need. These design software are great tools because they get the GIS information to you quickly. Other computer software are there to help you estimate the modules. They're able to quantify materials, give you precise information for the bidding system, and less time is required and you can get your job done quickly. Design software continues to make headway in the hardscape industry. Permeable paved stones, labor-saving equipment, mobile apps, site data, submit changes, orders, all of these things help the hardscape industry advance very rapidly. The CAD program actually can go further by creating models that are so real. It is as if you're entering the space. You can show your client immediately what the landscaping will be like. You even have people in the space and you think it's real, but it is all done with mastery with the computer-aided design. In summary, remember that technology is always changing in this industry. Those who embrace technology will be able to work smarter, not necessarily harder. The sophistication of software will increase. Online companies are finding ways to improve 3D images creation for everyone. The landscape industry and landscape designers, landscape architects will need to stay up to date with the latest software that is out there. Hope you've enjoyed this lecture. See you next time. Goodbye.